about hypertension. Hypertension is a serious killer and sometimes it can kill people in some way without any sign or symptoms. The best describe of hypertension when the pipe is give tension, so the width of pipe will become narrow, so that the water will flow through the pipe in the high pressure. This is same as your blood pump through your body and it causes hypertension.
Hypertension is used to describe high blood pressure. High blood pressure is the measurement of the force of the blood as it's pumped through arteries. Normal blood pressure is 120 over 80. The top number should not be more than 120 and the lower number should not be greater than 80. The top number calls systolic blood pressure and that is measurement of the force in the arteries as to heart pump blood. The bottom number is called diastolic blood pressure and that is measurement of force in the arteries when your heart is at rest. Anyway, from 120 over 80 to 140 over 90 would be considered prehypertension. Prehypertension often leads to high blood pressure. Anything greater than 140 over 90 is considered high blood pressure or hypertension. The people tend to hypertension have also family history of hypertension, and that's why important to know your family history. People who are obese, smoking cigarettes, taking drugs, and long-term stress will increase hypertension. The symptoms of high blood pressure sometimes very weak. It is simple, just headache, any visual disturbance, sometimes nausea or vomiting could be a sign of high blood pressure and nosebleeds. However, it's important to know that hypertension is called silent killer because you may be walking around with very high pressure and not symptoms at all. That's why advise to check high blood pressure frequently because although you're feeling perfectly fine, you could have high blood pressure. Here, I want to share 3 simple pressure points on your body that will instantly lower your blood pressure. Something important that I want to bring to your attention about today's topic is that those solutions are for instant results and not for long-term solution. Okay, here, you can instantly and quickly use 3 pressure points to lower your blood pressure and help avoid anything bad from happening. If nothing else, you get instant relief and relaxation. So, the first is acupressure point LI4, and LI4 which stands for large intestine 4 is an extremely useful acupressure point that is extensively used to treat chronic pain, acute stress, and various types of disease, along with treatment for high blood pressure. This point is situated in the webbing between the forefinger and the thumb. It calms and balances blood flow throughout the body and cleans stagnation. As an added benefit, it also boosts your immunity. Begin by moving your thumb in a small circular rubbing motion over LI4 for a few seconds. If there is any pain, it should be a good hurt, not severe or uncomfortable. Typically, suggest about 20 to 30 seconds. Then take a few second break and then repeat as often as you like. P26 is pericardium 6 is yet another important acupressure point for treating high blood pressure, and is located on the inner forearm, approximately 3 finger widths away from the wrist crease as you see here. This point can be stimulated by applying firm pressure to the point using your index finger or thumb. Again, apply pressure for about 20 to 30 seconds, then take a break and repeat as needed. The G20 is below the base of the skull, in the hollow on both sides of the neck, between 2 vertical neck muscles. By putting pressure here, lowers your blood pressure, reduces headache and stress by reducing your nervous system. You can use your thumbs, finger and knuckles to gradually apply pressure into the hollow of your skull. Close your eyes as you tilt your head back slowly and take long, slow, deep breaths. This is 3 ways that easy access. You can do it yourself and you will get fast relief. Try it.